how to view your profile information activity on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to view your profile information activity on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down, click settings, and then just click activity log, and now click logout actions and other activity, and not this one. Click here you will find it profile information. Click view profile information. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.